Hi, I'm Lydia from Lydia's Plate. Today I'll show you how I like to brown my ground beef to be used in various dishes like lasagna, enchiladas, spaghetti meat sauce, pizza casserole, and so much more. So first I just like to break up my meat. I like to add an entire medium onion, finely chopped, into my ground beef. We find that if you don't like the smell of ground beef, the chopped onion helps a lot. It also gives a wonderful flavor. If I don't happen to have any onions left, chopped up pepper in there, or celery, or both, add really great flavor as well. Give it a stir to help incorporate that onion into all that ground beef. And we don't like big chunks in our ground beef, so I like to break them up really fine. I then put the lid on because I find it helps brown the ground beef faster. Every once in a while I like to give it a stir, and if it's looking a little too liquidy, I'll just leave the lid off so that it doesn't make condensation. We get our ground beef from a local butcher, and we get it quite lean, so we usually don't have to strain any fat off. If you'd like to see more of my videos or don't want to miss the next video, feel free to touch the subscribe button, the bell for notifications, and if you like this video, also the thumbs up button. Thanks so much for stopping by, and I'll talk to you next time when I will share one of our many favorite dishes using browned ground beef.